People, I'm gonna give you a secret tidbit. Whew. That's a little peek on what's for dinner tomorrow. So we're going old school today, just regular old straight up tacos. And I probably shouldn't have done that. Good old fashioned white sticky rice, because that was a request from the kiddos. So we got to get the meat done. Rice is almost done. Let's get all the stuff, toppings and all that good old diced up and ready to go. And then we've got something for dessert. All right, guys. So here's the deets. Got our meat. Got our looking and steam rice, shells, and then all of our fixings with our sauce and our olives. It's tacos and rice night. I figured you guys have all seen a dished up, dolled up taco of ours, so we are just going to get on the grub and have family night.
Oh gosh.
With some cupcakes.
They're not very pretty, but you just put frosting over it.
You just put frosting on it and they all taste the same, right guys? Happy Saturday, welcome to the freaking weekend. Let's get on our tacos. All right, peoples, here's the aftermath. Look at that, look at that. Too bad you can't see the smoke ring on there. I guess you can see a little bit right there. That's 8 hours, low and slow, 7-pound butt. So I'm taking up part of it. It's only, Grace and I want carnitas tonight, so we're gonna have some corn and carnitas with that. The other kids are going to have salad and roast. Finished plate looking like something like that. Doesn't that look good? Oh yeah, pork roast, tatty. That's nice. All right guys, that's what's for dinner on Sunday night. Later. All right peoples, it's dinner 30 and I didn't have to cook. So
freezer dinner.
We are going with nutritious bowl of rice tonight. And
That
that's
is fluffy because I make the rice.
It's a la carte. So that's all we're having for dinner on Monday night.
So seriously, here's the recipe. So coconut chicken curry, it's off of, I will link this website down below, you guys. We're really liking these dinners.
Yeah.
We make them,
So
I made
that's
the
what it looks
6,
like, huh?
and then we freeze it, and then I pull it out and throw it in the Instant Pot frozen. And so chicken curry, it's light on the curry because the kids.
Does that got tomatoes in it?
No, it's carrots. It's some multicolored carrots.
The red
and
stuff?
And tomato sauce.
Oh, tomatoes, I got you.
Oh, yeah. And then it just goes over the rice. That's it.
All right, let's get this in some rice and get my belly. All right, peoples, zip it. Whoosh. That's what's for dinner on Monday night. So that's got carrots and the chickens.
There it is with less
sauce. So which one's mine?
Whatever you pick.
I'm kind of a dry kind of guy.
You want a spoon or a fork?
I want a spoon. I don't know, which one do I go for, guys? The dry one or the wet one?
Oh, Joshua.
Anyway, that's what's for dinner Monday night, Slater. What's going on, fellas, peoples, my foodies? So, I don't think we chatted last night. I don't think we had our talk last night, which would have been Tuesday night. Tuesday night we had that chicken rice leftover deal. I don't remember what it was called, but that's what we had for dinner last night. I'm not sure we did that. So, Tuesday night you had that kind of dinner. Wednesday night, we're getting down to the scraping the bottom of the barrel here, so we are going to go with all-in-one brown rice. We'll get this all prepped up, get everybody in the pool here, sauteed, dumped in, hit the saute button, and we will go from there. What's going on, fellas? Welcome to Hump Day. So what we've got tonight is some all-in-one chicken. So we got everybody up in the pool there, all prepped and dressed and ready to go. So we're going to go on manual for about 25 minutes, it sounds like. So we were gonna put that down and we'll see in about half an hour. What's going on, people? Good to see you. Dinner's done. I took the sprigs out there. It's no longer spriggy. So that's it, guys. Pretty much it's self-serve from there. Just scoop and go, scoop and go. So that is what we got going on for dinner on Hump Night Wednesday. Later. What's going on, peoples? Happy end of the freaking week to you too. So, where am I going here?
I don't know.
Dinner vlog. Dinner. So, the missus cooked dinner tonight in the Instapot, but she forgot to get it in the beginning, so I couldn't tell you what it is. It looks like
Sheet on the counter.
it's on the sheet on the counter. It's the chuck roast chili. And I'm not gonna lie, peoples, it is looking good and smelling good. Look at all that beef. Get in my belly. Get in my belly. So that's what's for dinner tonight. We will dish and bowl that bad boy up, and we are gonna call it a night. So let's get on it later. All right, guys, that wraps up another wonderful week of videos and dinners and all that yummy goodness and stuff. So go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment or whatever, and we will, good looking. We will catch you all next week. Later.